नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic calculation involving percentage solution, allegations. So this topic belongs to the pharmaceutics theory for the B Pharm first semester. This topic is very important for the calculation involving percentage solution. Now we come to the introduction. To have a complete understanding of various types of calculation which are involved in dispensing, it is desirable that the pharmacist should have through knowledge regarding weight and measure which are used in calculation. There are two systems of weights and measures, the imperial system and the metric system. So the imperial system is an old system of weight and measures. Imperial system are divided into two categories, avoidopiosis system and apothecaries system. So in this system, the pound is the standard unit for the weighing, and all measure of mass are derived from the imperial standard pound. This system is also known as Troy system. The grains is a standard unit in the system and all other weight are derived from it. So the conservation table from apothecaries to avoid dupiosis, 1 lb 16 O's avoid and 1 lb 7,000 grains. 1 O's 7,000 upon 16 437.5 grains. 20 grains 1 scruple and 60 grains 1 drachm and 480 grains 1 ounce, 12 ounce 1 pound and 5670. So the measurement of capacity in imperial system, the standard unit for capacity is same for both these two types of system. The gallon is the standard unit and other measure of capacity are derived from it. So the conservation table is the enumerated that these type of gallon and fluid ounces. So the metric system is used in Indian pharmacopoeia for the measurement of weights capacity, and it was implemented in India from 1st April 1964. Khana khane gaye. 64 in pharmacy profession. Measurement of weight in metric system. A kilogram is the standard unit for measurement of weight and all other measures are derived from it. So the conservation table 3 from higher to lower. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams, 1 hectogram is 100 gram, 1 decagram is 10 grams, 1 decigram is 0.1 gram, and all are the higher lower affinity. So the measurement of capacity in metric system, a liter is the standard unit for measurement of capacity and all measures of capacity is derived from it. So the conservation table, the pharmacopoeia of India uses only the metric system in formula. But the prescription are still written in the imperial system by many old-time physicians. So a conservation table is used by the pharmacist. So the weight measured is divided into two categories, metric system, imperial system, capacity measure. So the conservation table for domestic measure, metric system, imperial system. Calculation based on density. Density is defined as the mass of substance per unit volume. It has the unit of mass over volume, and specific gravity is defined as the ratio of the mass of a substance in air to that of an equal volume of water. In the metric system, both density and specific gravity are numerically equal. Example problems for calculation based on density. Calculate the volume of 2 kg of glycerine. The density of glycerine is 1.25 gram per ml. Volume is equal to weight upon density. 2 kg upon 1.25 gram per ml is calculated the 1600 ml. So the calculate the weight of 200 ml of alcohol whose density is 0.816 ml. So this is the calculation. So next one is example of for alcoholic dilution. This is also the example. Next one is the alligation method. When the calculation involve mixing of two similar preparation of different strength to produce a preparation of intermediate strength, the alligation method is used. So the required percentage, strong percentage, weak percentage, and required peak percentage. So the example for the alligation method. Now we come to the 70% of 90% alcohol and 2.5 parts of water will produce to required percentage alcohol. How much quantity of 60%, 50%, 30% and 20% alcohol should be mixed to get 40% alcohol? Quantity required 20 parts of 60% plus 10 parts of 50%. So there are a complete session. Calculation involving percentage solution in alligation. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for the listening.